Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at this super cool and unique fidget toy called the Loop Lasso. It is super easy to set up and start using. The Loop Lasso isn't just limited to this white string, it also has multiple different colors that are also glow in the dark. They also pair really well with the built-in UV black light. They make it look absolutely mesmerizing, especially in low lighting. Overall, this is a really cool fidget accessory to have, and you can make some really cool visual effects, so I do highly recommend it.